Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Honda Civic Sport Plus. Now of course, with this being the Sport Plus, you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights, front parking sensors. You then also get the brilliant 17-inch tinted diamond cut alloy wheels. Of course, I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming around to the rear now, you've also got rear parking sensors and reversing camera, which is just up at the top here. Into the tailgate now, we have plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. You then also get this pull-out privacy shelf, which marries up with the one at the top, just to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. Coming out to the round again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've got full electric windows all around, keyless entry and start. Inside we have your CVT gearbox, damper settings and economy mode with your electric handbrake and brake hold on the other side. You've got your wireless phone charging pad, heated front seats. You then also get dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. As well, we also get satellite navigation. We also get Bluetooth hands-free. We then also get your various audio sources as well, as you can see just here. Then over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls to the left with your Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. Over on the right we have your adaptive cruise control settings. You've got full automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 31,486 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic Sport Plus, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.